Hello the people of the YouTube, it's Mark from Handyman.com, and I've got myself a new van. If you look back a year ago, there's a video of a van tour when I got the last van, which was a Transit. I'm sure it was a little worse for wear, due an MOT. I only paid 650 quid a year ago, ran the test off and sold it for 300 quid. So I can't complain hiring a van for like, what, 350 quid for a whole year. So I thought I'd get something a little bit newer, with a bit more poke. So this is it. This is my Vauxhall Movano 2.5 CDTI. So yeah, this is pretty much a Renault with a Vauxhall badge. It's got quite high miles on it. We've got like 180,000 miles. It needs a little bit of work. Get the brakes sorted out. That's due in next week. But it's much bigger. The last van I had was a short wheelbase semi-high top. This is a medium wheelbase high top, and it's red. And I'll show you the inside. So this is inside the cab. Previous owners colour coordinated the seat covers. It's got this handy little clip here, which I'll probably use for stashing receipts and whatnot. Plenty of little cubby holes for diaries and tablets and whatever. I like how on this one, and like most vans these days, the gear sticks up here on the console as opposed to like in the Transit where it was down here on the floor. Couple of drinks holders either side, one down there, and a nice metal bulkhead in there, which I'm not too keen on because it makes a bit of a racket, but never mind. Let's have a look outside. I'm getting some new signs. They're currently being printed up. It's a 57. As you can see, big red beastie inside. I haven't quite had a chance to rack it out, so everything's kind of bungeed down. I don't actually need a ladder rack, although I do have some big ladders, because the ladders that I do have fit nicely inside the van. These are actually just my dust cloths, but it's a nice place to stash them. But other than that, it stops them from banging around and making a racket. It's obviously got like a overhead compartment here in there. And you can see just for now everything's kind of held in place by bungees and whatnot to stop me moving around. But I've got all of this space. But for the size that it is, I'm probably maybe gonna look to offer deliveries, collections, etc. from the likes of B&Q or Carpet-Rite. Possibly light removals, things like that. Just hire the van out really, because I've got all that extra space that's not being used. Like I said in the last van video, I am in a band, so all that extra space on the weekends taken up by my band rig, drums and guitar amps and PA systems. But through the week it's obviously just used as a work van, and if I can get a little bit extra income from hiring myself and it out, doing little light removals or delivery and collections from IKEA and places of that ilk, it all goes in the penny jar. So yeah, that's my new van. Just a little video. Thanks for watching.